Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog www.fibstalker.com. I am a certified technical analyst and I'm aligned to the IFTA, the International Federations of Technical Analysts. In this video, this is the second video of this weekend, I'm going to review for you the three Japanese yen pairs. The US dollar versus Japanese yen, the euro versus Japanese yen, and the pound versus Japanese yen. Today is Friday, November the 22nd, and this is I am in Toronto at the moment. It's 8:30 p.m. Central Time. What you see on the screen is the US dollar versus Japanese yen. Those who follow me know that I've been looking at this market and the way program trading it's tackling this market's price by looking at this extension here, and this extension has traded nicely. As we can see, we had participation at the 94 level, and participation at this level means that program trading will participated on the long side and will do everything to bring price into this first target. Actually, this market is actually trading an extension, so there is a possibility for this market to get into the second target as well. Last week I showed you this formation here and how it can explain using program trading behavior, so I'm not going to look at that again. If you missed that this video, just go back and subscribe to my newsletter, and or I'll publish that video. Usually I publish these videos with a few weeks of delay, and so what we can expect for this market is to keep going higher, especially if we see a continued weakness in the Japanese yen and the dollar. You can review the previous video number 1. I'm anticipating a continuation lower, so this could actually clamp down this move, but it also depends on how weak the Japanese yen will be in this forex pair here. Now we also have to remember that we have this internal measured move on the daily, which started finding participation. So the first level we have to look at, first level of target will be 103.30 area, 103. Moving to the euro versus the Japanese yen, all these markets, they trade similarly, and in fact we also have an extension long here which can be traced from this level here to highs, and as we can see we got participation at the 1960 area here twice in February this year as well as in April, and eventually this participation on the long side, which was very strong in April, brought price into this first level of target 131.49. And after that we had an internal measure move, so program trading picked up this price exactly at the at this 126.24. we saw a first attempt here, and that was actually on June the 7th, and then price eventually dipped into this area, but program trading was strong enough to keep pushing this price higher. So where this price is going, actually we are very close to the second target, which is the second target of this larger time frame, larger setup that found support twice, February and April. And as we can see on Friday, we also met. Actually, on Friday we actually reached the target of this internal measurement. So I will remove this, and we're very close to the second target. So I would not get involved on the long side in this market. I'll just wait. This is area where program trading is going to get to get profits out here. And if you follow me, I'll give you the next level next week, the level where this market could retrace. Moving to the pound versus Japanese yen, it's a very similar situation here, but the only difference is that this market has been trading in traditional measure moves rather than extensions. But as you can see, last week I told you, and we reached this first target in 161.20, and last week I also told you that we could actually continue higher. And where we are going? We are going actually to this 168.50. I believe I mentioned that last week as well. So this is an indication that the pound is strong versus Japanese yen. The pound is strong, as we will see in the next video, strong also versus the US dollar, which is a good indication also for the euro, because typically pound and euro, they go together. So I anticipate the euro keep moving higher, and the US dollar and the Japanese yen keep moving lower. We may be a Japanese yen weaker than the US dollar. And what I see here now is then this price moving into 168.50. If we get there, so don't get involved long here. It's very risky area now. I mean, we don't have a lot to get there, just for points to get there, for full points. And so once we get there, we will get. I'll give you the next level we have to look at. I hope this video is useful. I hope you liked it. If you did, there's one thing you can do. You can tell other people, and also go to my website if you want to see this video when I release them. Just go to my website and subscribe my newsletter. On my website you'll also find an ebook I've released in May, and that's about key concepts to correct trading behavior. So you can there are 5 areas you can study and look at how you can improve your trading game behavior. I hope this video is useful, and I wish you a very good weekend, and safe trade next week. Thank you, and bye now.